as the number is increasing. Yeah, first of all, we will discuss about percentages. This is most important topic. So, 4 or 5 topics depend upon this topic, ma. This is most important. Please listen carefully. If you have any doubt, please raise it. Okay? Shall we start? Okay. Yeah, percentages. Okay, percentages, right? Percent. What is the meaning of percentages? Percent. Percent means 100 percentage. Clear? For example, 20 percentage. 20 percentage. So express in the fractions. Clear? So 20 percentage. 20%. That means divided by 100. Divided by 100. So 21s, 25s. That is equal to 1 by 5. So 20 percentage is nothing but 1 by 5. Clear? So percentage topic is most important, ma. Most important. Clear? So for example, how to convert percentage to fractions. Percentage to fractions. So this is case 1, first case. So second case, how to convert fractions to percentages. How to convert percentage to fractions. So second case is how to convert fractions to percentages. Clear? So here these two are most important cases. Clear? So if, for example, case 1, x percentage, convert it into fractions. Clear? So x percent, that means 100 divided by 100. Okay, so this is case 1. Case 2, a by b, it is a fraction. Now convert it into fractions, convert it into percentages. Okay, a by b into 100 multiplied by 100. So here, so these two are the conversion from percentage to fractions, fractions to percentages. Please write it now. Concept of percentage. To express x percentage as a fraction, we have x percentage is equal to x divided by 100. X divided by 100. X divided by 100. Okay. So for example, 20 percentage, 20 divided by 100 will get 1 by 5. Okay. So similarly, 48 percentage is equal to 48 by 100. So that is equal to 12 by 25. These are the simple and important concept. Clear? Next, to express a by b as a percentage, to express a by b as a percentage, we have a by b into 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100. Okay. For example, 1 by 4 into 100, that is equal to 25 percentage. 25 percentage. 25 percentage. So next one. So here, next, problems on population. Clear? So year by year, population of a town year by year increasing, right? So first year, second year, third year, it will increase year by year. Clear? So similarly, a machine value a machine value year by year decreasing, year by year decreasing. So population year by year increasing. Clear? Simple ma? Simple ma? Here we have a formula. Results on population. Population after n years, after number of years, after n years is equal P into 1 plus R divided by 100 whole to the power of n. Whole to the power of n. P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. So here P is population. P is population. P is population. R is rate of increase or decrease. Next, N is number of years. N is number of years. Okay, N is number of years. Right. So here we have two formulas. Clear? Population after n years is equal P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. So second one, next one is population n years ago, n years back. Clear? P divided by 1 plus R by 100 power n. 1 plus R by 100 power n. Okay, please copy it, ma. Next one, results on depreciation. Clear? Value of a machine after n years. After n years. P into 1 minus R by 100 power n. P into 1 minus R by 100 power n. Next one, value of a machine n years ago, n years back. For example, 2 years back, 3 years back, 1 year back. Okay. So P divided by 1 minus R by 100 power n. P divided by 1 minus R by 100 power n. Okay. So here P is value of a machine. Value of a machine. Value of a machine. Next, R is rate of increase or decrease. Rate of increase or decrease. Clear? N is number of years. 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 So here the concept of percentages. The concept of percentages. For example, here we have 100 rupees. 100 rupees. So here 10% of 100 rupees. How much it is? What is the value of 10% out of 100 rupees? 10 rupees. We know very well. Clear? Right. So 20% of 100 rupees. How much it is? 20 rupees. Okay. So 30% of 100 rupees. How much it is? 30 rupees. Clear? 30 rupees. So for example, 50% of 100. Simple, we know very well. Clear? So 50%, half of the 100 rupees. So 50. So 100% of 100. How much it is? 100 rupees. Okay. So 200% of 100 rupees. That is equal 200 rupees. Clear? So we know very well. Based on 100 rupees only. We know very well. Clear? So the problem is 33% out of 2000 rupees. 33% out of 2000 rupees. Then what is the value of 33%? what is the value of 33 percentage? Okay, so what is the value of 33 percentage? Please try it, ma. Try it. You just try it. So before that, yeah. So here, keep aside. Clear? Yeah, please tell me. Okay, right. So here, first of all, 2000 rupees. Here we have 2000 rupees. Clear? First of all, find the value of 10 percentage. 10 percentage out of 2000. 10 percentage out of 2000. So here the maximum amount is 2000 rupees. Here the maximum amount is 2000 rupees. Let it as 100 percentage. The maximum amount is always 100 percentage. If it is 100 rupees, 100 percentage. If it is 3000, 100 percentage. If it is 4000, 100 percentage. If it is 7000, 100 percentage. If it is 1 rupee, 100 percentage. Clear? So here 33 percentage out of 2000. Clear? So here this is 100% value. Yeah, please tell me, ma. Any doubt? Hello, please respond. Everything is fine? Please respond, ma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, right. So here 33 percentage out of 2000. So here 10 percentage out of 2000. 10 percentage out of 2000, 200 rupees. Clear? So 20 percentage out of 2000, 400 rupees, double. Okay, otherwise 200 into 2, 400. So 30 percentage out of 2000. So 10% value 200, 20% value 400. So 30% value 600 rupees. Clear? Otherwise directly you can say, so 33 percentage. So 10% value 200. So 30% value into 3. How much it is? 600. Clear? So after that 3% value. After that 3% value. So here 1% value. 1% out of 2000. Again remove 1 0. Okay. So 20. So 1% value 20. 2% value 40. So 3% value 60. So here 30 percentage plus 3 percentage. How much it is? 30 percentage plus 3 percentage. How much it is? 30 percentage plus 3 percentage. So 3% value 60. So 600 plus 60. How much it is? 660 rupees. 660 rupees. So here similarly, one more example. So here we have 4000 rupees. 4000 rupees. Then find the value of 43 percentage. Find the value of 43 percentage. So 10 percentage out of 4000, 400 rupees. Clear? Very good. So 40% value into 4. How much it is? 1600 rupees. Clear? So next 3% value. 1 percentage out of 4000, 40. 1 percentage out of 4000, 40 rupees. Clear? So 3% value. 120 rupees. Clear? So here 40 percentage plus 3 percentage, 43 percentage. Next 120. How much it is? 1720 rupees. 1720 rupees. Clear? So this is most important concept, ma. So for total amount 4,000 rupees, then find the value of 43 percentage, 10 percentage out of 400, 4,400. So 40 percentage into 4, 1,600. Clear? So 1% value 40. So 3% value 120. So 1,600 plus 120, 1720 rupees. 1720 rupees. 1720 rupees. Okay. 1720 rupees. Okay. So next one, out of 6,000, out of 6,000. So find the value of 45 percentage. Find the value of 45 percentage out of 6,000. Clear? So here this is the value of 100 percentage. Clear? So 10 percentage out of 6,000, 600. So 40 percentage, how much it is? 2,400. Okay. So then 10% value, 10% value 600, 5%, half of the 10%, that means half of the 600, that is equal 300 rupees. How much it is? 2700. This is the value of 45 percentage. 45 percentage, 45 percentage out of 6,000 rupees. So otherwise, one more method, 45 percentage, 45 percentage. So here let it as 100 percentage, 6,000, let it as 100 percentage. So 100%, half of 100 percentage, 50 percentage. So 50% value, half of the 6,000. So that is 3,000 rupees. Okay. So how much it is less? 5 percentage. So 10 percentage out of 6,000, 600. So 5% value, half of the 600. So 300. 300. So here 300 minus 300. How much it is less? Minus 5 percentage, 45 percentage, minus 300. Okay. Minus 300 rupees. Minus 300. So how much it is? 2,700. Both are same. Yeah. First problem. After selling 35% of the oranges, a fruit vendor has 260 oranges left. How many did he have originally? After selling 35 percentage of the oranges, a fruit vendor has 260 oranges left. How many did he have originally? Okay. So total oranges, let it as X. Total oranges, let it as X. Clear? So 35 percentage of the total oranges he sold. He sold 35% of the total oranges. Plus how many oranges he left? 260 oranges. So is equal to how much ma? X. Total number of oranges. Total oranges. Clear? Total oranges. Okay. So here 35 percentage of total oranges plus 260. How many oranges is left? 260 oranges is equal to X. Clear? So 35X. So X minus 35X divided by 100 is equal to 260. Okay. LCM is 100. Okay. 100X minus 35X, 65X is equal to 260 into 100. Okay. So X is equal 65 ones, 65 fours. Answer 400 oranges. Total number of oranges 400. 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 Over. So this is normal method, general method. Okay. So come to the shortcut. Total oranges, let it as 100 percentage. Total oranges, let it as 100 percentage. Clear? So from here he sold 35 percentage of the oranges. Clear? He sold 35% of the oranges. Clear? So what about remaining percentage, ma? Remaining percentage. So 100 minus 35, 65 percentage. 100 minus 35, 65 percentage. Clear? So here 65% value, 65% value. How much it is? 260 oranges. Here this is the keyword. Okay. So 65 percentage value, 260. 260. Then what is the total number of oranges? So that is 100% value. 100% value. Okay. So 100 into 260 divided by 65. 260 divided by 65. Once fours. Answer 400 oranges. 400 oranges. 400 oranges. 400 oranges. Now the total number of oranges 400 only. Clear? How many oranges he left? He left 260 oranges he left, right? So how many oranges he sold? How many oranges he sold? So here 10 percentage out of 400, 40. 10 percentage, 40. Okay. So 30 percentage, 120. 120. Next again 5 percentage. 5 percentage out of 400. So 10 percentage value 40. So 5% value 20. So how much it is? 120 plus 20, 140 oranges. He sold 140 oranges. So total number of oranges 400. How many oranges he sold? 140. How many oranges he left? 260. What is the percentage of remaining oranges? So 65. How many oranges is left? What is the percentage of sold oranges? 35 percentage. Clear? Now my next question is, what is the difference between sold oranges and remaining oranges? Okay, so here 140, so here 260. So 260 minus 140, 120. So the difference between these two values, 260 minus 140, 120. Otherwise 65 minus 35 percentage, 65 percentage minus 35 percentage, how much it is? 30. 30 percentage out of 400, 30 percentage out of 400. So 10 percentage out of 400, 40. So 30 percentage, 120. Clear? So 35% value 140, 65% value 260, 260 minus 140, 120. Otherwise 65 percentage minus 35 percentage, 30 percentage, 30 percentage out of 400. So 10 percentage out of 400, 40. So 30 percentage, 120. So this is the value. The difference between these two values, again these two values. So 30 percentage, that is equal to 120. Next question, ma. 40 percentage of a number is 80. Then what is the 30 percentage of that number? What is the 30 percentage of that number? Okay, simple, ma. Simple. Actually, 40 percentage of a number is 80. We know very well. Yes, Madhuri, please tell me. Yeah, Madhuri, please tell me. Any doubt? Yeah, 40 percentage of a number is 80. Then what is the value of 30 percentage? Direct answer. Direct answer. So this is the direct procedure, ma. Shortcut, shortcut. Okay. 40 percentage of a number is 80. Then what is the value of 30 percentage? Right. So 30 percentage into 80 divided by 40. 41s, 42s. That is equal 60. This is the answer. That is equal 60. Okay, simple shortcut ma. 40 percentage of a number is 80. Then what is the value of 30 percentage of that number? So that is 60. So this is shortcut. Clear? So one more method, second method. One more method, the second method. Actually, what is that number? We have it out. What is the original number, right? So 40 percentage of a number is 80. 40 percentage of a number is 80. Then what is the value of 100 percentage? That means what is the original number? Clear? So 100 into 80 divided by 40. 41s, 42s. That is equal to 200. Actually, the original number is 200. From 200, from 200, from 200, 10 percentage out of 200, 20. Okay, so 20 percentage, 40. So 30 percentage, 60. Got it? 30 percentage, 60. So 40 percentage, 80. So 40 percentage, 80. So 50 percentage, 100. 100 percentage, 200. So 200 percentage, 400. Clear? Otherwise, one more method, one more method, one more method. Okay, so 40 percentage, 40 percentage of a number, let it as x. 40 percentage of a number is 40 percentage of a number is 80. Okay, 41s, 42s. So x is equal 200. That's it, simple. X is equal 200. Out of 200, 10% value 200. So 30% value 60. That is the answer. 30% is 60. Here we have three methods. One is general method and remaining are shortcuts. Okay, next one. Out of the first 75 natural numbers, what percentage of have them 7 either in the units place or in the tens place? 7 either in the units place or in the tens place. Okay, 7 either in the units place or in the tens place. Okay, so here first 75 natural numbers, 1 to 75 natural numbers, 1 to 75 natural numbers, 1 to 75 natural numbers. So from here 7 either in the units place or in the tens place. Okay, so actually what are those numbers? Those numbers percentage, right? So 7 clear, 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, okay, 57, 67, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. How many numbers we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 numbers. Okay, 7 either in the units place, either in the units place or in the tens place or in the tens place. So total we got 13 numbers. Okay, so percentage of 13 divided by out of 75 natural numbers, you are finding percentage. So 25 3s 25 4. So how much it is? 52 divided by 3. 52 divided by 3. 52 divided by 3. How much it is? 52 divided by 3. So 3 ones, 7. So 17.33 percentage. Answer 17.33 percentage. 17.33 percentage. This is important one, ma. Out of the first 75 natural numbers. Next one. If x is equal to 3y, what percentage of x is y? 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 So here x is equal to 3y. X is equal to 3y. What percentage of x is y? So here write a note point. Note point. Is value by of value. Is value by of value. Okay. So here what percentage of x is y? X is y. So what is value? So here x is equal to 3y na. X is equal to 3y. So x by y is equal 3 by 1. X by y is equal 3 by 1. Okay. So here what is value? 1. 1 divided by 3 into 100. We are finding percentage. So answer 33.33 percentage. 33.33 percentage. X is equal to 3y, is value by of value 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 100 is equal 33.33 percentage. 33.33 percentage. Okay. The population of a town was 1 lakh 3 years ago. If it increased by 2 percentage, 3 percentage, and 5 percentage respectively in the last 3 years, then the present population of the town is dash. Then the present population of the town is dash. How much it is? How much it is? How much it is? Clear? So here the present population is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. It is increasing by 2 percentage, 3 percentage, and 5 percentage. Actually, we have a formula. What is the formula? So this is the formula. First one, population after n years is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. So here, this is R1 value, this is R2 value, and this is R3 value. So what is the general formula? P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. So this is basic formula. So here we have different R values. So then what is the formula? P into 1 plus R1 by 100 power 1 into 1 plus R2 by 100 power 1 for second year. For second year, only 1 year. Okay, for second year, only 1 year. Next, 1 plus R3 by 100 power 1. This is for first year, only 1 year. This is for second year, only second year. This is for third year, only for third year. Clear? So P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100. Substitute values. R1 value 2 percentage, R2 value 3 percentage, R3 value 5 percentage. After that, simplified. What is the P value? 1 lakh. P value is 1 lakh, right? So this is the formula, right? without using any formula, the population of a town is always 100 percentage, always 100 percentage, always 100 percentage. Clear? First of all, what is the basic population? 1 lakh, right? So 1 lakh, let it as 100 percentage. For 1 year, how much it is increasing? 2 percentage. How much it is increasing, ma? 2 percentage. 100 plus 2, 1 or 2 percentage per cent. That means divided by 100. For second year, consider as 100 percentage. Now it is 100 percentage. Clear? For first year ending, for second year, it is 100 percentage. Now it is 100 percentage, right? So for second year, how much it is increasing? 3 percentage. 100 plus 3, 103 by 100 into, for third year, this is completely 100 percentage. Clear? So 103. So right, 102 by 100 into 103 by 100 into 105 by 100 for first year, for second year, for third year. Okay, basically take it as 100 percentage. 100 plus 2, 102 percentage. Now it is 100 percentage. Okay, so 100 plus 3, 103 percentage, 103 by 100. Now it is 100 percentage. 100 plus 5, 105 by 100. Okay, now simplify. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, right? So 1,10,330. This is the population after 10 years, after 3 years. So here the population is increasing, 2 percentage, 3 percentage, and 5 percentage respectively. Okay, so this is the process. Okay. Next, what percentage of 10 is 10 percentage of 1? What percentage of 10 is 10 percentage of 1? Chalo, what is the answer? What is the answer? What percentage? Let it as x percentage. X percentage of 10 is equal to 10 percentage of 1. This is the concept. Clear? So here, what percentage? Let it as x percentage. X percentage of 10 is 10 percentage of 1. Okay? X divided by 100%. X divided by 100 into 10 is equal 10 divided by 100 into 1. Okay, 100 cancelled. These two are denominator values in both sides. Clear? So here 10 cancel. So x is equal 1 percentage. X is equal 1 percentage. What percentage? 1 percentage. Next one. In an examination, 35% of the students passed and 455 students failed. How many students appeared for the examination? Please tell me. You just write, ma. Take 60 seconds time. 60 seconds. I'll give a chocolate. Okay. I'll give a chocolate or pen. Those who will tell correct answer. Okay. Right. So total students, let it as 100 percentage. Total number of students percentage 100 percentage. From here, 35 percentage of the students passed. So passed percentage is 35 percentage. and failed students percentage is 65 percentage, not 75. Clear? So here 100 minus 35. So total minus passed students is equal failed students percentage. So here the value of 65 percentage is 455. This is the keyword. This is the keyword. Clear? 455. Now 65 percentage value 455. Then what is the value of 100 percentage? What is the value of 100 percentage? So 100 into 455 divided by 65. 65 ones, 65 7. Right? Answer 700 students. Total number of students 700. Total number of students 700. Total number of students 700. Okay, simple ma. Let the total number of students, total students percentage, total student class strength percentage is 100 percentage. Passed percentage is 35 percentage. Failed percent 100 minus 35 65. Here we know the value of 65 percentage, that is 455. 455. Clear? So 65% value 455. Then what is the value of 100 percentage? We got 700 students. 700 students. Okay, 700 students. So here we know the total strength, right? So we know the failed student, number of failed students. Clear? So how many students passed? How many students? Clear? So here 10 percentage of 700 70. 10 percentage of 770. Okay, 10 percentage of 770. So 20 percentage 140. So 30 percentage 210. 210. Then what about 5% value? 5 percentage. 10% value 70. Half of 70 35. So 210 plus 35 245. Okay. So number of passed students 245 students. Okay. So here how many students passed? 245. How many students failed? 455. Failed students percentage 65. Passed students percentage, passed student percentage 35. So here my next question is based on this. Find the difference between passed students and failed students. How many students? These two values, right? So here 455 minus 245. How much it is? 210. 210. So here the difference between passed students and failed students. So that is 210. Otherwise 65 percentage 35 percentage difference. 65 percentage minus 35 percentage 30 percentage. Clear? 30 percentage. 30 percentage out of 700 210. This is the answer. 30 percentage out of 700 210. 30 percentage out of 700 210. Please copy it, ma. Okay. Okay. General procedure. General method. 35 percentage of the total strength plus 455 students failed is equal total strength. Is equal total strength. Passed students, failed students, total. X is equal 700. That's it. X is equal 700. 35 percentage of X Okay, 700. Next question, ma. Next one. So here, in an election between two candidates, one person got 55% of the total valid votes, 20% votes are the invalid votes. If the total number of votes was 7,500, so the number of valid votes the other candidate got dash. So second person got how many votes? He's asking second person got how many votes? So here total number of votes, 7,500. So total number of votes 7,500. Now let it as 100 percentage. Clear? So from here 100% value 7,500. From here 20% votes are invalid votes. 20% votes are invalid votes. So what about remaining percentage, ma? 80 percentage. 80% votes are valid votes. Clear? So here, out of 7,500, 10 percentage out of 7,500, 750. So 20% value, 1,500. Clear? So total number of votes, 7,500. So here 20% votes are invalid votes. How many votes are invalid? 20%. So what is the value of the 20 percentage? 1,500. So total minus invalid votes is equal valid votes. Clear? So 7,500 minus 1,500 is equal 6,000. These 6,000 votes are valid votes. These 6,000 votes are valid votes. Clear? Now take it as 100 percentage. Take it as 100 percentage. First person got how many votes, ma? 55 percentage. So 100 minus 55, 45 percentage. So second person got how much percentage? 45 percentage. So 10 percentage out of 6,000, 600. So 40 percentage, 2,400. So 5 percentage, 300. So 2,400 plus 300, 2,700. So this is the answer. Clear? This is the answer. So 2,700. Second person got how many votes, ma? 2,500. See once what's the explanation. Okay, I'll tell, don't worry, right? So here, okay, right. So total number of votes percentage, 100 percentage. So here the value of 100 percentage is 7,500. 7,500. Listen carefully. From here, invalid votes. Next one, valid votes. Invalid votes percentage, 20 percentage. Clear? So valid votes percentage, 100 minus 20, 80 percentage. Clear? Clear? Listen carefully. So let the total number of votes percentage, 100 percentage. So out of 100 percentage, 20% votes are invalid votes. After that, valid votes percentage, 80 percentage. 80 percentage. Clear? So here 20% value, 10 percentage out of 400, out of 7,500, 10 percentage out of 7,500, 750. So 20% value, double. 750 plus 750, 1,500. Simple, ma. Simple, simple. No need to confuse. Clear? Clear? So 1,500. 750, 10% value. So 20% value, double. So 1,500. So total minus invalid votes is equal to valid votes. So 7,500 minus 1,500. 7,500 minus 1,500 is equal to how much, ma? 6,000 votes are valid votes. 6,000 votes are valid votes. Clear? Now consider it as 100 percentage. So here they will decide the winner and loser based on valid votes only. Based on valid votes only. Valid votes are 6,000 votes. Clear? So here first person got how many votes, ma? 55 percentage. Second person got how many votes, ma? 45 percentage. So 100 minus 55 will get 45. Clear? So 10 percentage out of 6,000, 600. So 40 percentage value is 2,400. 2,400. Clear? Again 5% value, 5% value. So 10% value 600, 5% value 300. So 2,400 plus 300, 2,000, 2,400 plus 300, 2,700. 2700. 2700. So here second person got how many votes ma? 2700. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Clear? So next first person got how many votes ma? So 50% value, 50 percentage out of 6000, half of the 6000. Clear? 3000. So 3000. Next again 5% value, 10 percentage out of 6,000, 600. Half of the 600, 300. So first person got how many votes ma? 3,300. 3,300. Clear? 3,300. Okay. So here uh, first person got how many votes ma? 3,300. So simple ma. 3,300. Simple. So here 50 percentage, 55 percentage is equal 50 percentage, 50 percentage plus 50 percentage plus 5 percentage. So half of the 6,000, 3,000, 5,000, 5% value 300. So 3,000 plus 300, 3,300. So how much it is less compared to 50,000? 5% less. Clear? 50% value 3,000. So 5% less, 5% less. Clear? 3,000. 300. Okay, 300. So 3,000 minus 300, 2,700. 2,700. 2,700. Okay. So here we have 5 to 6 questions ma. So total number of votes 7,500. Invalid votes percentage 20%. Invalid votes 1,500. Next valid votes percentage 80%. So number of valid votes 6,000. Clear? First person got how many votes ma? 3,300. So second person got how many votes ma? 2,700. So first person got how much percentage ma? 55 percentage. So second person got how many votes ma? How much percentage ma? So 45 percentage. Now my next question is listen carefully. My next question is winner got how many votes? My next question is winner got how many votes? How many votes ma? Winner got how many votes? Winner got 3,300 votes. Winner got how much percentage ma? 55 percentage. Clear? So next loser got how many votes ma? 2,700. Next one loser got how much percentage ma? Loser got how much percentage? Loser got how much percentage? 45 percentage. So here 55 percentage, next 45 percentage. So here 3,300, 2,700. My next question is based on this. Clear? This is most important ma. So here what is the majority? What is the majority? Simple. The difference between winner and loser, that is the majority. Clear? So here my next question is winner won by how many votes? Winner won by how many votes? How much it is ma? 3,300 minus 2,700. So 300 plus 300, 600. So here the majority is 600 votes. Here the majority is 600 votes. Clear? Next one, majority percentage. Majority percentage. How much it is? 55 minus 45, 10 percentage. 10 percentage. 55 minus 45, 10 percentage. Clear? 10 percentage out of 10 percentage out of 6,600. So here what is the majority? 600. Clear? So my next question is loser lose by how many votes? Loser lose by how many votes? 600 votes only. Loser lose by how much percentage of votes? 10 percentage. Clear? Clear? So this is the concept of voting. This is the concept of voting. Okay? Try to understand. If you have any doubt, please raise it, ma. Can I? Yeah, G8. Please tell me, ma. G8.
Sir,
Please tell
in the
me.
question it's given as uh, the winner got 55% of total votes.
Total valid votes.
Oh, okay,
Valid
sir.
vote.
Okay, sir.
If it is total votes, 7,500. It is, if it is valid votes, 6,000 only.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Actually, they decide the winner and loser based on valid votes only. Anything else? Okay. Okay. Next one. Next one. From the salary of an officer, 10 percentage is deducted as house rent, and 20% of the rest he spends on maintenance, 20% of the rest he pays as income tax, and 10% of the balance he spends on clothes. Then he is left 15,552 rupees. Then find his salary. This is most important problem method. Okay, most important. Listen carefully. Chalo. You just try it, ma. Take 60 seconds time. 60 seconds. 1 minute. From the salary of an officer, 10% is deducted as house rent, 20% of the rest he spends on maintenance, 20% of the rest he pays as income tax, and 10% of the balance he spends on clothes. Clear? Then he is left 15,552 rupees. Then find his salary. This is most important. Please underline the word rest. Please underline the word rest. Without rest percentage plus 20 percentage plus 10 percentage. Okay, how much it is? 60 percentage. Okay, so here total salary, let it as 100 percentage. Clear? So here 60 percentage of the salary he spends on different things. Clear? So expenditure. Okay, so this is income. Income minus expenditure is equal savings. Income minus expenditure is equal savings. Clear? Income minus expenditure is equal savings. Clear? So 100 minus 60, 40. So here, what is the saving amount? 15,500. Fifteen thousand rupees. 15,552 rupees. 15,552 rupees. 15,552 rupees. Then find the value of 100 percentage, his salary. Okay, 100 into 15,552 rupees divided by 40. Okay, so simplify it, ma. Okay, 3880. So 38,880 rupees. So this is without rest word. This is general problem. Huh? This is general method, general problem, right? Without rest word, this is the correct. Clear? So 10% expenditure on house rent. Clear, ma? 10% expenditure on house rent. Okay, 10% expenditure on house rent. So 20 percentage on maintenance, 20 percentage income tax, 10% on clothes. Clear? So total expenditure 10 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10, that is equal 60. Total his salary 100 percentage. Clear? 100 percentage. 100 minus 60, 40 percentage. So here we know the value of 40 percentage, that is 15,550 rupees, right? So this is the This is the problem without rest word. Now the answer is 38,880. This is simple method. This is simple problem. Clear? This is general method, general problem. Okay. So here we have a word rest. Then what we will do? Okay. So simple ma. So this is most important with the effect of rest word. With the effect of rest word. Clear? So his salary, let it as 100% or X rupees. 100% or X rupees. 100% or X rupees. Let the total salary of that person is 100%, right? So first of all, 10% deduction. 10% deduction. So his basic salary is 100%. Clear? So 10% deduction. Clear? So 100 minus 10%, 90%. So 90 by 100, 90%. 90%. Okay. So now the 90% now will become 100% because of the rest word. Because of the rest word. Clear? So here now 20% deduction. Clear? So 90% will become 100%. So 100 minus 20, 80%. 80%. Clear? Now next step now the 80% will become 100%. The 80% will become 100% because of the rest word. Clear? 100%. 100 minus 20, 80%. Okay. So into now the 80% will become 100% because of the rest word. Clear? So 100 minus 20, 80. Clear? So next one, 10% reduction. So 10%. So 80% will become 100%. 100 minus 10, 90%. 90 by 100 of X rupees. His salary is X rupees. So what is the remaining amount, ma? What is the remaining amount? What is the remaining amount? Yeah, 15,552 rupees. This is the procedure, ma. So this is one and only one step, shortcut one, easy one. Okay, simple one. Okay, so 100%. Let it as 100%. 100 minus 10%, 90%. The 90% or 90 rupees will become 100%. 100 minus 20%, 80. Now the 80% will become 100%. 100 minus 20, 80. Now the 80% will become 100%. 100 minus 10, 90% of X. What is the remaining amount? 15,552 rupees. No need to multiplication, no need to other things. So 0 0 cancel, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Clear? So here 9 table will cancel. Okay, again 9 table. Okay, so next one 8 table, again 8 table. Okay, right. So we'll get X is equal 30,000 rupees. X is equal 30,000 rupees. This is most important, most important model. Okay, so answer 30,000 rupees. Please copy it, ma. If you want, please copy it. If you want, please copy it, ma. Important one, important one. Next problem. Sorry. Yeah. You just write, ma. Okay, so here the thing is, this is most important problem. 5 by 9 part of the population of a village are male. If 30 percentage of the male are married, if the 30 percentage of the male are married, okay, the percentage of unmarried female in the total population is dash. Clear? So here, total how many parts, ma? 9 parts. So here, what about male members parts? 5 parts. What about female members parts? 4 parts. Clear? So here, I'm taking 9 parts is equal to 90 or 900. 9 parts is equal 990. Okay? Multiples of 90. 9. Multiples of 9. Okay? See once. See once. So here, total 5 by 9. So that means 9 parts. Total parts 9. In parts is equal 9 parts assumption. 9 parts is equal 90 or 900 or 9000, whatever it may be. Clear? I am taking 90 only. I am taking 90 only. Okay, 90 only. Okay, so here shortcut shortcut method. I am taking 9 parts is equal 9 parts is equal 90. Okay, so out of 90, male members are 5 parts, that is equal to 50. Male members are 5 parts, 50. So here 5 by 9 male members. What about female ma? Remaining fraction 4 by 9. So here 5 parts are male members, 4 parts are female members. Okay, so here 4 parts value 40. So total 90. Total 90. Okay, so here 30 percentage of 50. How much it is, ma? You know very well. Clear? So 10 percentage out of 50, 5. So 30 percentage. So 3 into 5, 15. So 15 members are male married. Male married. So here total male members, male married. So here for example, listen carefully, ma. For example, 50 pairs are there. 50 pairs are there. How many husbands are there? How many husbands are there? 50 only, not 25, not 100. Clear? So 50 only. How many wives are there? 50 only. Clear? Here we have 50 pairs. 50 pairs. How many husbands are there? 50 only. Clear? What about wives? 50 only, not 25, not 100. Clear? 50, 50. Right. Clear? So what about female married? 15 only. 15 members husbands, 15 members wives. Clear? So here total female 40 members, total females 40, female members 40, total married female 15. So total minus married female is equal unmarried female. That is equal 40 minus 15, 25. So here 25 members are unmarried female. Unmarried female. Okay, so here the percentage of 25 here. So here the percentage is 25 by total 90 into 100. This is the concept. Clear? So here 0 0 cancel. So 250 divided by 9. So 27.7 percentage. 27.7 percentage. So here unmarried female percentage is 27.7 percentage. 27.7 percentage. 27.7 percentage. Yeah, please copy it, ma. Okay, next one. Right. General method, ma. General procedure. General procedure. Let the total population of the village X. Clear? So here 5 by 9 of X. Next, what about female, ma? Male, female. Okay. So 4 by 9X. Clear? So here 30 percentage of 5x by 9. 30 percentage of 5x by 9. 0 0 cancel, 3 ones 3 threes, 5 ones 5 twos, so that is equal x by 6. So here the x by 6 are male married, that is equal. What about female married, ma? X by 6 only. X by 6 only. Clear? So here total female minus married female is equal 4x by 9 minus x by 6. So LCM of 9 and 6, 18. So 8x minus 3x is equal 5x by 18. So this is the value of unmarried female. Unmarried female. Okay, so here unmarried female percentage is so 5x by 18 divided by total population x into 100 will get 27.7 percentage. Both are same. This is the general method, traditional method. Please copy it, ma. Yeah. Next one, ma. Profit and loss problems. Profit and loss problems, ma. So here, first of all, what is the profit and what is the loss? Here we have, yeah, profit. So profit is equal selling price minus cost price. Profit is equal selling price minus cost price. Profit is equal selling price minus cost price. Clear? So what about loss, ma? Loss is equal cost price minus selling price. Loss is equal cost price minus selling price. So here, if the cost price is greater than selling price, what is the result? If the cost price is greater than selling price, what is the result, ma? Loss. Okay. if the selling price is greater than cost price, if the selling price is greater than cost price, what is the result? Profit. Clear? How to find profit percentage? How to find profit percentage? How to find profit percentage? So profit percentage is equal. So here, listen. So here profit SP is greater than CP. Then what is the result? Profit. Is cost price only. Why? Because we have to find profit loss based on cost price only. Clear? Profit percentage is equal last cost 100. Okay. Selling price is equal cost price into 100 plus gain percentage by 100. 100 plus gain percentage by 100. Okay. So SP is equal CP into 100 plus gain percentage by 100. So here what is GMA? What is gain? Profit. Percentage by 100. Right? Okay. Right. Next, profit is equal SP minus CP. Loss is equal. Now, write the first problem. A man buys an article for 400 rupees and sells it for 520 rupees. Find his profit or loss. If it is profit, how much percentage? If it is loss, how much percentage? Yeah. So here, please remember cost price of a book. Okay. So here, cost price is always 100%. Cost price is always 100%. If a book cost 400 rupees, what is the percentage, ma? 100%. A book cost is 200 rupees. What is the percentage? 100%. A book cost is, if a book cost is 10 rupees, what is the percentage? 100%. A pen cost is 1 rupee. How much percentage? 100%. Right? A house cost is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. How much percentage? 100%. The cost price is always how much percentage, ma? How much percentage? 100%. Right? Please remember, cost price is always 100%. Clear? So, see once the first problem. Cost price is 400 rupees and the selling price is 520 rupees. So which one is greater one? Which one is greater one? Selling price. What is the result if the selling price is greater than cost price? What is the result, ma? Profit. What is the result? Profit. Clear? So here profit is equal SP minus CP. 520 minus 400 is equal 120 rupees. So this is the profit amount. Profit amount. Okay. So here profit percentage is equal profit by cost price into 100. So 120 divided by 400 into 100. Clear? So here two zeros, 4 1s, 4 3s. Okay. How much it is, ma? 30% profit. 30% profit. So this is traditional method, or childhood method. Okay. Okay, traditional method. Here we will try without using any formula, without using any formula. Okay, right, this is the traditional method. Okay, so cost price is always how much percentage, ma? Cost price is always 100%. So here cost price is 400, selling price is 520 rupees, right? So cost price is always 100%. So here the value is 400 rupees. 400 rupees. Then here, what is the selling price value? 520. Then what is the percentage? Then find the percentage. Find the percentage. Clear? So here, to the cross multiplication, 100 into 520 divided by 400. Okay, 4 130s. Okay, 130%, right? So cost price percentage 100%. Cost price percentage 100%, and the selling price percentage 130%. Selling price percentage 130%. So which one is greater one? Selling price. How much it is? What is the difference? 30. So 30% profit. 30% profit. 30% profit. Okay. So this is the shortcut. This is the shortcut. Okay. This is the shortcut. Chalo. One more shortcut, ma. One more shortcut. Okay. So here 400 cost price, 520 selling price. Which one is greater than selling price? What is the result? Profit. Okay, you know very well. Clear? So here, what is the difference, ma? 120 rupees. Clear? So cost price is always 100%. So here 10% out of 400, 40 rupees. So 20%, 80 rupees. So 30%, 120 rupees. So this is the answer. Okay, so 10% out of 400, 40 rupees. Clear? So 20% out of 400, double, 80 rupees. Clear? So 30% out of 400, 120. So that is equal 30%. So that means 30% profit. 30% profit. 30% profit. %, profit. Okay. So otherwise, through options. Options through. Okay. A 10%, B 20%, C 30%, D 50%, E none of these. E none of this. E none of this. First of all, check it. Option A. So 400, 520. Okay. So 10% out of 400, 40. So 400 plus 40, how much it is? 440. 440. It is not equal to 520. So this is wrong option. Clear? Come to second option, 20%. 10% value 40. So 20%, 80. So 400 plus 80, 480 is not equal to 520. not equal to 520. Clear? Now check it, 30 percentage. So 10% out of 400, 40. So 30 percentage, 120. So 400 plus 120, 520. So it is equal to 520 rupees. So answer 30 percentage. Answer 30 percentage. Next one. Next question, ma. Rupees, right? So 10% So 20 percentage, 140. 20% loss. 20% loss. A man says, then what is the cost of an article? Option A 500, option B 600, option C 400, option D 300, option E. Here, see cost to page. What is the selling options using by options? Here, so here 10 percentage out of 500, 20 days 600. Is equal to 720 or 20 percentage 120. So 600 plus 120, 720. This is the correct option. Correct option. Okay. So otherwise use second method. So here actually the cost price of a book or any article is 100% only. 100 plus 120 percentage value 720 rupees. Okay. Then he is asking about cost price. Then find the value of 100 percentage. So 100 into 720 divided by 120. Okay, so is equal to 600, is equal to 600. So here the cost price is 600, selling price is 720, profit percentage is 20 percentage. This is second method. First method, second method. First method, second method. So next one, ma. Yeah, you just try it. Give a star mark. Give a star mark. Yeah, you just try it. important one ma. A man purchased two articles for 1,000 rupees each. On selling first article, he gains 10%, and on the other article, he loses 10%. What is the profit or loss percentage in the transaction? Profit or loss? Oh, profit or loss. Which one is correct? Actually, this is most important one, ma. So here, cost price CP1 is 1,000 rupees and CP2 is also 1,000 rupees. Cost price is same for both the tables. Clear? So here, how much it is? 10%, 10% profit. Okay. Next one, 10%, 10% loss. 10% loss. Yeah. Okay. So here, yeah, 10% profit on first article, 10% loss on second article, right? So here 10% out of 10% out of 1,000, so 100 rupees, 100 rupees profit. So 10%, 100 rupees profit. So here 10%, 100 rupees loss, 100 rupees loss, right? So here 1,000 plus 100, 1,100. So this is SP1. Okay. So next one, SP2 is equal 100 minus last. 1,000 minus 100. How much it is? 900. Clear? So CP1 plus CP2, how much? 2,000. 1,000 plus 1,000, 2,000. SP1 plus SP2. So here 1,100 plus 900, 2,000. So here cost price is 2,000 and the selling price is also 2,000. Here profit or loss? No profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. Okay, so this is the general method. No profit, no loss. Okay, so here write a shortcut, ma. Shortcut, note point, note point. CP1 is equal CP2. The cost price of the two tables or two articles is same. If the cost price is same, if the cost price is same, X% profit on one article and X% loss on another article. If the cost price is same, if the cost price is same, so here the keyword is cost price. The keyword is cost price. If the cost price is same, X% profit on one article, X% loss on another article. So here the result is, no profit, no P, no L. No profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. Okay, so this is the shortcut one. If the cost price is same, both the articles, clear, X% profit on one article and X% loss on next article, second article. Clear? So here the result is no profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. Next one. Tell me within 30 seconds. So same, ma? Same. So 2000, 2000, 20%.